Okay, excuses. Yan, para sa akin, kung gusto mo talagang maging successful in life, gawin mong rule yung no excuses. Like for example, kapag ka meron akong pa-seminar, anak, okay, I'm very, very strict with time. Kasi para sa akin, we should always respect each other's time. Kasi that's one thing na investment, investment mo yun into whatever you do. So, pagka nakakarinig ako, alam mo, sa sobrang higpit ko, anak, nagpapasara ako ng door. So, regardless, basta pagka 9 o'clock, pag 9 o'clock, close na ang door. Hindi na sila pwedeng pumasok. Kasi para sa akin, you know that 9 o'clock call time, I woke up at 4 a.m. Kasi syempre may makeup and hair and makeup pa ako Diba? Tapos, pupunta pa ako dito sa office. Okay, minsan 1 hour, minsan 1 and a half, minsan 30 minutes. I do not know. Pero ang rule ko is, if 9 o'clock, I should be here 2 hours before. You know that? Yeah. And you always wonder, Mom, it's too early. Alis ka na. Yes. Kasi para sa akin, we should respect each other's time. Yan. Kaya, pag sabi na, traffic, alam nyo naman na traffic talaga sa Pilipinas, wala nang mababago doon. Kaya dapat mag-a-adjust ka. So, no excuses.
Okay. Okay, for me naman, excuses.